With age comes stress, and with stress comes hair loss.
But I found something easy to fight it.
This is the Hair Revival Kit.
It's the ultimate product
to help fight hair loss.
Brought to you by Particle for Men.
Particle's Hair Revival Kit fits men of all ages who are experiencing early, mid, or late stage hair loss.
It is a super potent infusion of clinically proven key ingredients.
It does so many things in this one little bottle. It helps fight hair loss.
Not only does it give me more volume,
it also toughens hair follicles.
Super important.
And that means less hair on your sink and shower and more hair on your head.
And I have definitely noticed my hair thickening. I've noticed kind of my bald spot has gone away.
Gives me a lot more strength in my hair overall.
Because as we all know, stronger is better. It comes with a cream and a really nice looking scalp massager.
This is the cream.
This is the massager.
And the best part,
It's simple to apply.
I use just about the size of a quarter on my hand, rub it in, and then apply it all through my hair, on my scalp.
massage it in just like this.
You can get it all through the scalp.
Use it once every 3 days in the morning and night after you shower.
Guys, this stuff is amazing.
It feels great, it smells great, and it's affordable.
The result has been fantastic. I'm so totally impressed.
Check it out for yourself. Give it a try. You'll really be glad you did.